Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to this feature, so you won't have to go through the settings to get to it. So let's begin with opening the settings. Now we have to tap on the display and brightness option. And here just find the eye comfort. Let's tap on it, and before we will be able to customize it, actually we have to tap on the switcher. And as you can see, after activating, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you prefer to use your device at night when the when the light around you is not that strong, then this comfort mode is the best for you and for your eyes for sure. Let's start with the screen color temperature. So here we've got the option. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and as you can see, it's almost invisible comparing to the previous option. And by going to the right, much warmer. It's really almost orangish, at least in real life. I know that probably you cannot see how orange this screen is, but trust me, it is. You can schedule that feature. You can tap on this option and you can custom it. So let's tap on it, and you can freely pick the start and the end time. So tap on it, and just by swiping, pick the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the start and the end time. But let me turn off this option. I'd like to turn it on manually. And here we've got also the display colors, so display effects, sorry. So we can display the colors, which simply means that your device of course will be yellow, but it will not affect the color. I mean, it will affect, but you will be able to still see the colors, just like on the wallpaper. Let me get back. As you can see, they are yellowish, but you can still recognize that here we've got pink, here we've got kind of green, blue, and so on and so on. And on the other hand, we've got the black and white option, which simply will display everything in monochromatic colors. As you can see, we cannot see any, but I will stick with the colors option. And basically, this is the whole customization of eye comfort mode. So now let me show you how to get the fastest access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and as you can see right here, we've got the eye comfort. If for some reason you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon and you will be able to find it. So currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. And the same situation if you want to turn it on again. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.